Hey there, YouTube. This is one of the gas stations that's in our town. Pretty nice. They got some good foods and a rewards program, but I'm not promoting them if you were wondering. Just telling you, this is the whole town of where I live at. That's just showing you my room. Of course, we got some great semi-truck drivers that go through here. I got respect for them. One day, a few days, maybe a month ago, one truck per day bled a horn when I gave them a thumbs up. It shows you that they're happy I gave them respect.
Oh man.
And also, there's a vehicle I want to get my mom. It's that purple truck way up there. Whoa!
What was it?
It was a, ladies and gentlemen, Michael had a water bottle jug. It went boom.
I see it.
That's the truck I want to get her, but mine is we do the tires and rims if I can get it for her. Wait, tell me what you think in comments. Should I get it for her? You know, just in case we get stuck somewhere. Leave your comment down below. Yeah, this is pretty much a decent town. Oh, so it's windy. Just earlier when we crossed the water tracks right near Acme Scrap and Iron, dust was everywhere.
I'm sorry. It's what you live here for. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry.
I'm just loving this town. I mean, it's almost in the middle of the United States.
It's a pit stop for me.
You heard her. She's been pit stop here for way too long. She wants to get to the West Coast.
I've lived on the East Coast, now I need to get to the West Coast. I ain't made it yet.
Normally, I mean, there's quite interesting things here. I mean, one thing is got some of the nuttiest drivers around that like to ride your bumper.
Like earlier today.
Yeah,
I had to go 50 miles an hour in the 30 zone.
Tell them directly.
I was doing the speed limit, the guy wouldn't get off my back of my bumper, and I decided to go 50 miles an hour in the 30 zone.
And
that's a no-no.
And this car is her precious. And you know what she nicknames her car? Bessie. I call my if I get my dream vehicle, which I don't want to because I don't want to work with crazy drivers, I'd name it All Blue. Right now, I'm gonna get inside. How about you?
No, you might as well turn it off because we gotta go.
I gotta get going. Now, talk to y'all later. Bye.